Now let's get started with how to installing Power BI Desktop. And followed by this, I will show you how to install the SQL Server and then the SFMS. Okay. These are the minimum system requirements to install the Power BI Desktop. And I believe all of your laptop meet this requirement. You must be having Windows 8 and above. And it's suppose both 64-bit and 32-bit. Even if you have 32-bit system, for example, if you are owning a very old desktop, still you can install it. But it is not working with Windows 7. No, it is not supported with Windows 7. And your CPU must have at least 1 gigahertz. Okay, and the memory, so 2 GB. I believe all of you have at least 2 GB RAM. You need to remember this one, okay? But keep in mind, your Power BI Desktop is no longer supported on Windows 7. Okay, next, you need to download the Power BI Desktop. What I would suggest, right? Okay, I will do one thing. I'll just go to the the Google. And here I just type download Power BI Desktop for Windows. So in this search list, you can see the first search list, okay? And this is the one you need to click on it. Microsoft Power BI Desktop, you right click on it, open it in the new tab. This one will take you to the download page. It takes you directly. I'll just share you, Priyanka, don't worry. I will share it to you all, the link, so that all of you can download it, okay? Just tap on that link. And also I would suggest if you can connect to the WhatsApp via your browser, it will be good. If you connect the WhatsApp from your laptop browser, that will be good. So that you can just tap on the link, whatever I sent, it will take you to the downloadable page, Microsoft downloadable page. So currently we are on the downloadable page. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see that the language, select language is English, and you just hit the download button. The next one is Power BI Desktop. Here you can see two different installation types are available, softwares are available. Power BI Desktop Setup x64.exe. You select this one because all of you must be using 64-bit. Hence, you can. If you are using a desktop version, please select this option. I believe all of you have the 64-bit. Next one is you need to click on this button, the next button, to proceed with the download. Let's wait for a minute. Yes, it got downloaded. It's being downloaded. Sorry, it's being downloaded. Let's wait for few minutes. It says 1 minute left. Let's wait for 1 minute. Yes, it got downloaded. Now, what I'll do is I'll just double click on this. You need to double click on this downloaded exe file and wait for few moment. I'll just go and check. It will take for some more time. The installation window will get launched. We need to wait for some more time for that. Okay, it got launched. Once again. Yeah, this is the one. So it was prompting me to, okay, the security warning. So it gives me the security warning, whether it can go ahead and install it. Okay, I'm going to hit the run button now so that it can proceed with the installation. But first it will open the installation window. Let's wait for a few more moments. Yes, the installation window got open. And here the default language is English. I'm not going to do anything here. I'm going to hit next button. And again, it will prompt you for your consent, whether you are okay to go ahead and install it. Yes, I hit the yes button. The next step is it will check whether sufficient space is available in the C drive or not in order to install the Power BI Desktop. Only when it finds the sufficient space available in your C drive, the next button will get enabled. Yes, so since the space was available, it started installing the software. Computing space requirements, yes. Still, it's going on. It's still checking the space availability. If it finds sufficient space to install, the next button will get enabled. So in my case, it migrates the feature states from related applications. Since I've already installed the Power BI Desktop, I think I can, display this message. Maybe it will upgrade the existing version to the newer one. But in your case, the next button will get enabled as soon as the space availability check has been done. The next button would have been enabled. You need to simply hit the next button. Yes, it has been done. Okay, let me just hit the next button. I accept the terms in the license agreement. You need to select this one. Hit the next button. This is your default installation folder. Don't ever change this. Just simply hit the next button. And then the last step is install. We need to hit this button, install, to proceed with the installation. So good. The installation is in progress. Let's wait for some time. If you have at least 8 GB RAM, and if you have more free space, at least 50 GB or 50 to 100 GB, you have free space in your C drive, it will be faster. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM, and also I installed multiple applications, hence it will be slow. Okay. Updating component registration, removing files, copying new files. Okay. Updating component registration and copying new files. It will take some time. You have to have a lot of patience. Good to see that the installation was done perfectly. Launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This has been checked. I'm going to hit finish now. How many have installed? I think all of you are seeing the progress bar. Yes, Priyanka and Shushmita, Anwar. Okay, how about others? Anwar, okay, you are able to complete, right? Okay, you already installed it. Okay, just now installed. Okay, good, good, good. So now let's wait for some time. It will take some time to launch the Power BI Desktop. The best thing what you do is once the installation is over, you restart your Windows. Though it is not required, better you restart. Okay. Another thing is, if you want to check next time when you restart your laptop, how do I know where the Power BI Desktop got installed, or how do I launch the Power BI Desktop? Once you restart your laptop, you need to go to the start button and type Power BI Desktop. You can find the icon here. Either you can click on open, or you just click on this one and wait for some time. Already I launched it, okay, because the installation itself, after completion of the installation, in that installation window itself, we selected launch Power BI Desktop. I think it will launch to look here to report files. Okay, let it be one. Even the launching the Power BI Desktop will take time. You need to have a lot of patience. First time it will be like that. Second time onwards, it will not be that slow. To resume, it will take some time. What we'll do is, in the interest of time, I'll just minimize this.